Good afternoon. Today is Wednesday, October 18, 2023, and here are the 3 p.m. Small Town Lottery Visayas result today. Here are the STL Swear 3 p.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for October 18, 2023, Wednesday. Here are the STL Swear 3 p.m. result for Mandawi City under Piona Trading and Supply Corporation for Wednesday, October 18, 2023. STL Swear 3 p.m. result for Cebu City under LTS Advance Incorporated for Wednesday, October 18, 2023. Thank you for watching this 3 p.m. video for October 18, 2023, Wednesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.